screw you, you wait. I am actually at my friend's place and even they are thinking what the fuck is going on.
Back talking about me, Minty. Hey you guys and girls, welcome back to my channel. So by the title you guys have already guessed that I'm gonna be prank calling my best friends to see what their reaction would be. Also, I want you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you guys would be a part of my YouTube family. Also, if you guys are not following me on Instagram or Snapchat, please follow me there. Also, you guys should press the bell icon down below so that every time I post a video, you guys would be notified. So, without much further ado, let's get pranking! Alright, so guys, the first person I'm gonna be prank calling is gonna be Xenia. We've been friends for a really long time and we share a different kind of bond. I just wanna see what her reaction would be to my call. So, I think we should go ahead and call her right now. Oh, my heart is beating literally.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, babe. What's up?
Hi.
What happened?
Where are you?
All okay?
Where are you?
I am at my friend's place right now, actually. What happened?
Where?
Stella side.
Okay.
क्या हुआ?
So recently, there are a lot of people telling me things about like what you've been back talking about me.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
What?
Yes.
Who?
There are so many and they've told me not to tell you.
Is this a joke?
Really?
I'm asking you, what are you saying? What are you even talking about?
My heart is literally beating so fast right now.
What? Who told you what? Tell me that at least.
That I have an attitude and
You think I would say that?
that's what I'm asking.
Oh my god, who is this? First tell me that.
So many people. I've just been ignoring so many people, and then yesterday I was like, oh my god, I was literally tearing up after this person told me.
And you really believe I would say that you have an attitude when I have been telling everybody in my world that you are the most joyful person?
Then why
How
so
can you
many
believe this?
people? How so many people kept telling the exact same thing? Like you're telling people, I have an attitude after I'm come back from the cruise ship. She's like
Who is this?
literally a
First of all,
different
nobody even talked.
person.
Who is this? Ask them
I
if this is
can't tell
me or
you.
if this is my sister telling all this, because this is definitely not me and you should know that if you've known me for so long.
I know, that's what I thought in the beginning when like 2 or 3 people told me about it.
I am so surprised you're even asking me that if I have said such things.
I literally don't know whom to believe now.
Will you at least tell me who is telling you all this? I am not going to go to them.
I can't tell you.
Where are you right now?
You knew that, right? That we had a different bond. Like, you know that, right?
Chej, why are you crying right now when you know I will not say such things? Is Josh around you?
I'm in the bedroom, he's in the hall. I'm alone in the bedroom.
Why are you believing anything? How long have you known me to believe just anything whoever's coming and telling you?
But how can so many people tell the same thing?
Who are these so many people? Please, I want to know. Because if that is making you cry, then I don't know what to say right now. It's been years.
Exactly, even I don't know what I should tell now, who I should believe. I don't know, my life is such a mess.
First of all, I have no idea who are these people because nobody talks to me about you. Nobody. And these sentences, these can never be mine. but you are still asking me means there is a part of you which thinks that I might.
I knew for the longest time I didn't want to ask you about it, but it really hurt me last night. So I was like, okay, I think I should call her up and maybe clear
Exactly.
it with you. I don't know.
What are you doing later in the evening? I'll come and see you.
I don't know. I'm just at home. So many days. I'm just at home, and
Oh. Even that evening you didn't call me back. I thought maybe you girls got busy or something.
yeah, I got busy later.
Yeah, so I didn't call. I thought, okay, maybe you'll just went to talk or whatever. So I didn't call. I was home only, tabhi bhi. Yesterday I was so busy since afternoon. I came back home around 12. And I have no idea who are these people, and I can't believe you actually think I would say something like that. I genuinely don't understand.
Oh my baby,
I knew it, you bitch. You bitch, you dickhead. I am not going to talk to you for long. Why are you
You're gonna be on
pretending?
my YouTube.
You have no job in the world.
Oh my gosh, I think this is the best reaction I could get.
You wait, I am going to screw you. You wait. I am actually at my friend's place, and even they are thinking, what the fuck is going on? Where are you right
I'm
now?
so sorry.
Shit, oh my god.
Okay, would you like to tell something to my viewers?
Which viewers? You are doing this for YouTube. I am going to kill you. I am. Oh my god, you have lost it.
Okay, I'm gonna hang up. I'll call you later.
Oh my god.
Bye, love you.
I don't. I'm not going to say that back. Bye.
So guys, how did you like it? I loved it. This is the first time I prank called her. Oh my god, it worked. It literally worked. I thought she wouldn't believe it. Yes! Oh, I literally feel so bad for her. Anyway, I'm gonna put her Instagram down in my description so you guys can go follow her on her Instagram. Also, I can also put a link of her YouTube down below. She's a very good dancer, so go follow her and subscribe to her channel as well. So after the first successful prank, we'll call my bestest friend Minty. Her name is Varsha, but we all call her Minty, so we'll be calling Minty next. She's my best friend since from college, and let's see what and how she reacts to this prank. So let's call her now. Oh my gosh, my heart's beating and I'm feeling so bad for all my besties. I'm such a bad girl.
Hello.
Hello.
What up? Hello.
Hello.
हाँ बोलो.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay.
क्या हुआ? All good? Oi. Can you hear me? Hello?
I think you should know.
Huh?
I think you should know.
What? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, what happened?
Lately, a lot of people have been telling me that you're back talking about me, Minty.
घंटा. क्या पका रही है? Is this one of the prank?
Really, Minty?
हाँ? I promise. Tell me who told you. मेरे को भी जानने का है.
बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं.
हाँ? कौन है ये बहुत लोग बता जरा.
आज सुबह शैन मिली थी मेरे को. उसने भी
हाँ? अरे बोल ना बाबा.
She was telling me that she asked me if me and you are in good terms now. I said obviously, what can go wrong? Fair.
हाँ
You know,
हाँ
right? We share a different bond altogether.
हाँ
तो फिर she's telling me that because I heard something. No, I'm not sure if that is right. ऐसा बोला उसने.
what
And then she's saying कि I heard from sources that you were saying that Jessica has an attitude these days.
me
Hmm. ऐसा
I swear to God तो एक तो मैं किससे बात करने जाती नहीं लोगों से
exactly.
और
I
तेरे
couldn't
बारे में तो
believe.
मैं बात करने बिल्कुल नहीं जाती और एटीट्यूड रहेगा तो भी मैं किसको बताऊँ ये सब
Exactly, I couldn't believe, but then I felt so bad and I was so hurt literally since morning. I'm like, I'm holding on to it and I'm saying like, no, this can't
एटीट्यूड
happen.
यू मेरे को तो जैसे आई डोंट नो ये कौन बोला है और ये क्यों बोला है ट्रस्ट में मैंने जाके तेरे बारे में ये सब बात किसको बोला है नहीं मेरे को तो नहीं लगता कौन है किसको बोला है बता जरा
वो बोल रही नहीं है नाम. She's like, I heard from sources, I
पूछ लो
can't
मैं
tell
ये
you. If you want, I have a call. This also in the morning she had called me.
सो टेल मी
I'll send you a screenshot. Wait.
और नहीं आपको पीपल कोई है ही नहीं किससे बात करूँ अभी अपना
फिर?
कनेक्शन से तो बहुत कम अभी अभी मैं कालेज से बात करने लगी हूँ
फिर वो ऐसा भी बोल रही थी कि आफ्टर यू केम बैक फ्रॉम द यूएस उसका तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही एटीट्यूड हो गया है.
मैंने बोला ऐसा
हाँ शी वाज
ओह
टेलिंग.
गॉड तुम्हें मेरा माँ का कसम मेरा बाप का कसम कसम मैं किसको बोलने नहीं गई ये सब बात तेरे बारे में तो मैं बात करती ही नहीं हूँ लोगों से क्योंकि कोई है ही नहीं लिंक अपना फ्रेंड फोन रहेगा तो बात अलग है नहीं तो अपना बात किस्सा हुआ ही नहीं मेरा तेरे बारे में बात
एग्जैक्टली इसलिए तो मैं बोल रही हूँ प्रैंक
होगा मैं मानूंगा
baby you're gonna be on my YouTube next YouTube video.
no
I'm sorry I love you. And you know what, Preetham is teamed up with me. He's taking a video of you.
dude I'm sitting like oh fuck
I'm so
I
sorry. I love you. I can never break up with you. Love you.
I was scared of it me I knew this was a prank like
No, you didn't.
at one point you got me but
I got you. Bye.
I love you
Love you. The second person. But she didn't believe at first. I knew she wouldn't believe. But at the end, I got her anyway. I love this. I feel like doing this more often. Alright, so that was Varsha and another successful prank. Her Instagram would be also in the description box down below. Please go and follow her on Instagram. She is my love. Also, if you guys like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys.